A single sperm cell may look simple, but the process behind its formation is a highly organized biological process. Hello everyone, welcome to Zenvy Health. Today, we are going to understand spermatogenesis, which means the formation of sperm. Along with its basic anatomy and physiology, in a simple and concept-focused way. Spermatogenesis mainly takes place inside the seminiferous tubules of the testes. The testes contain numerous seminiferous tubules, and their lining contains developing germ cells, along with specialized Sertoli cells. Spermatogenesis begins with spermatogonia, which are germ cells located near the basal region of the seminiferous epithelium. These cells undergo mitosis. Some maintain the germ cell population, while others differentiate and develop into primary spermatocytes. The primary spermatocyte then enters meiosis I, producing secondary spermatocytes. These secondary spermatocytes quickly undergo meiosis II and form spermatids. An important concept to remember is that meiosis reduces the chromosome number from diploid to haploid. However, a spermatid is not yet a mature sperm cell. It then undergoes a process called spermiogenesis, during which the spermatid transforms into a mature spermatozoon without further cell division. During this process, the nucleus becomes condensed, the acrosome develops, the flagellum or tail forms, and mitochondria become organized in the midpiece.
The spermatozoon are then released into the lumen of the seminiferous tubules, a process known as spermiation. But there is an important distinction. Sperm formation in the testes and complete functional maturation are not exactly the same thing. After formation, sperm travel to the epididymis, where they undergo further maturation and acquire progressive motility, preparing them for transport through the reproductive tract. Now let us understand the physiology behind this process. Spermatogenesis is regulated by the hypothalamic-pituitary-gonadal axis. The hypothalamus releases GnRH in a pulsatile manner, which stimulates the anterior pituitary to release LH and FSH. LH primarily acts on the Leydig cells of the testes and stimulates testosterone production. FSH mainly acts on the Sertoli cells. Sertoli cells provide structural and nutritional support to developing germ cells and help create the specialized environment required for spermatogenesis.
They also produce end-binding protein, or ABP, which helps maintain a high local concentration of testosterone inside the seminiferous tubules. Sertoli cells also produce inhibin B, which mainly provides negative feedback on FSH secretion. Testosterone, meanwhile, provides negative feedback to the hypothalamus and pituitary, helping regulate GnRH and LH secretion. The hormonal pathway can be remembered simply as GnRH, followed by LH and FSH, followed by Leydig and Sertoli cell activity, leading to testosterone-supported spermatogenesis. From an anatomical perspective, another important point is that Leydig cells are located in the interstitial tissue between the seminiferous tubules, while Sertoli cells are located within the seminiferous epithelium and support the developing germ cells.
Tight junctions between Sertoli cells contribute to the blood-testis barrier, which helps create a specialized protected environment for developing germ cells.
Spermatogenesis begins at puberty and continues throughout adult life, although its efficiency can be influenced by hormonal signals, testicular conditions, and temperature regulation.
To remember the complete cellular sequence, think of it as spermatogonium, primary spermatocyte, secondary spermatocyte, spermatid, and finally spermatozoon. Along with this sequence, remember the key regulators: GnRH, LH, FSH, testosterone, Sertoli cells, and Leydig cells.
In this way, spermatogenesis is not simply the production of sperm, it is a coordinated process involving mitosis, meiosis, cellular differentiation, and hormonal regulation.
If you enjoy learning complex medical and biology concepts in a simple but conceptually strong way, subscribe to Zenvy Health, like this video, and stay connected for more educational content.